Hello guys. So there is a lot of blood on the streets, especially with altcoins. Most of them are going down, except a few ones, and I'm going to talk about why some altcoins are going up and the other ones are crashing like crazy. So there is a big change in the cryptocurrency as I see it. For example, we can notice the most visible one is that a lot of ICOs are replacing the old cryptocurrencies and blockchain. So this means that we're already transitioning into replacing the shitty coins into something that may actually work. You know, a lot of people are comparing cryptocurrencies and blockchains to the dot-com crash, and they're saying that most of them are not going to work. So I think we're slowly seeing this, that some companies who are not well developed may lose market share, and most of the ICOs are testing the market and the investors. So we see what's going to happen. Most of the top 100 cryptocurrencies, lots of them, not most, lots of them are ICOs. If we see around here, so we should start rethinking how we invest in the different blockchains and ICOs. Safe exchange is going up. Interesting. Lunar. I talk about Lunar. Yeah, this is old chart. This website is not updating. I don't know why. So the biggest reason cryptocurrencies are crashing is Bitcoin, because most of the investors are getting their money out of the weak cryptocurrencies like Coin, Doge. They're taking their money out and they're putting into Bitcoin or Neo or the other cryptocurrencies. The other thing I see is people are more interested in smart contracts, cryptocurrencies like Neo, for example. The big investors are primarily interested in something that is revolutionary and that is working, that can be implemented in the business. And for example, they're putting money in Dash, which may be a very good cryptocurrency in the future. IOTA is going crazy, almost $1. Whoa. QTUM, which is another smart contract cryptocurrency. They're still in development, but the investors probably want something that is more, let's say, smartly orientated. Omni say go, OMG is going up as well. So yeah, you got my idea. These ICOs and cryptocurrencies that probably the investor will see something big in them. So let's talk about Coin, for example, one of my favorites. I still think that it's a lot of potential in Coin, because in the future these cloud services can replace the traditional ones, because decentralized cloud services are a lot more secure and cheaper. So we see what's going to happen. I see Coin going below 100 satoshis, and I'm going to probably start buying around 80, 90, 70 satoshis. I don't know, I'll see. And the same thing with Burst. Maybe I will buy a little bit of Burst when it crash out like 60 or 50 satoshis. Dogecoin, huge downtrend for Dogecoin. Most of these cryptocurrencies went down more than 100% in a few weeks. So Dogecoin may go below 20 satoshis as well. So as long as Bitcoin is trending, hitting new all-time highs, altcoins will suffer, besides the big ones. Possible recovery, I cannot say anything about possible recovery, but I will say one of my hypotheses is that, for example, if we check out the charts, I don't like to look at charts, but for example, for Siacoin, the big run started in March, May, August, so this spring. So my guess is that the next spring we can see another increase in, for example, Siacoin. Dogecoin, the same thing, started rising in the spring, 2017, 2016, the same thing, spring, 2015, spring, 2014. It's not the spring, but you got my idea for 2040. So I expect them to rise next year, but who knows, we have to be careful. So this is the main reason, guys. The main reason is Bitcoin, and just we have this purge and clearance on the shitty coins. So the shit coins and the useless coins are no longer needed in the eyes of the the investors. So please share in your comments where, if you think that some cryptocurrencies are good investments, share your views and ideas. I personally think that 10x will be a good investment, but I'm not sure. We have to see. BitConnect, definitely. A lot of people are starting putting money into the lending bot, so BitConnect will probably go to $200 in the following months, and I'm slowly putting some money into BitConnect, increasing my value, because if we see, just a few days ago BitConnect was around $70 and now it's $112, as you can see here. So I'm putting my money from the trading bot into my BitConnect wallet. So I'm accumulating just very little amounts of BitConnect, because the same time I'm reinvesting to this so-called trading bot. But yeah, I think BitConnect can be very good investment because people will continue putting money. So share your thoughts and ideas in the comments, and see you soon, guys. Bye. Oh yeah, and one more thing. I created a Facebook group. A lot of people requested a Facebook group where we can discuss different matters. So here is the group. I'll put a link in the description, in the comments probably. And I just created it, so if you want to join, it's open, and we can discuss different matters, different investment strategies, cryptocurrencies, and so on and so forth. So link in the description. Bye, guys.